Hello guys, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix Snapchat's blurry camera problem. So this is easy. Just go to the settings, wait a second, go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, and then go to the search and search Snapchat. Next, go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked, and if it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the Wi-Fi off and on, or the Bluetooth or the airplane mode. Also, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Snapchat's data will be deleted. The databases, the accounts, the settings, your information, all of them will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.